So good morning everyone. So we are we have started exercise 1. So in that third bit we are doing. So what is that? Write the following integers in ascending order. So we have to write the integers in ascending order. So ascending is nothing but small to big order we have to write. So first one is so we have to write in small to bigger order. So first one -5, 2, 1, -8. So we have to arrange them in ascending order. So before arranging in ascending order, first we will draw a number line and we will mark these numbers on number line. Okay, so this is the number line for integers. Now first mark the numbers. So -5, where you are seeing -5, -5, 2, 1, -8. So how to write in ascending order? Ascending order means small to bigger order, and already I told you that the numbers which are lying on right side will be greater than left side values. That means this -8 will be less than -5, -5 is less than 1, 1 is less than 2. So how to arrange them in ascending order? Ascending order is -8, -5, 1, 2. So from left side onwards you have to arrange them in for ascending order. So second one is -4, -3, -5 and 2. So again we have to arrange in ascending order. So first draw a number line. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8 and so on. So what is the first number here? -4. After that -3, -5 and 2. So how to arrange them? We have to arrange from left side onwards, because we are writing in the form of ascending order. That is -5 is less than -4, -4 is less than -3 and -3 is less than 2. So this is our ascending order. Next one, -10, -15, -7. So again first you draw a number line. Zero, 1, 2 and so on. -1, -2, -3, and so on. So first you mark the values. -10 here, -15 is here, -7 is here. So arrange them now. So ascending order, that is from left to right. So that will be -15, -10, -7. So -15 is less than -10, -10 is less than -7. So this is our ascending order, arrangement of ascending order. Okay, so next bit. Fourth Fourth bit we have to arrange in descending order. Descending order is nothing but big to small. Big to small. So in that first one, -2, -3, -5. So these values we have to arrange in descending order. Descending order is nothing but bigger number to smaller number we have to arrange. So draw a number line first. Now mark the values. -2 is here, -3 and -5. So descending order means bigger to smaller number. So already I told you that the numbers which are lying on right side will be bigger values and left side values will be smaller. So if you see the right side values, -2 is on right side of -3. So -2 will be a bigger and -3 will be a smaller. Okay, so if you compare these two, so -3 is lying on right side and -5 is lying on left side. So -3 will be bigger than -5. So how to arrange now in descending order? Ascending order we have arranged from left to right. Now descending order we will arrange from right to left. That is -2, -3, -5. So that is our descending order. So next one, -8, -2, -1. So again first we will draw a number line. Mark the values. -8 is over here, -2, -1. So descending order you have to arrange from right to left. So that is -1, -2, -8. So third one, 5, 8, -2. So first draw a number line for that. So that is -4 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. So first you mark the values. Here 5, here 8, here -2. Okay, so first arrange. In which side we have to arrange? We have to arrange from descending order, that is from right to left. So that is 8, 5, -2. So this is our descending order. So this is how you will arrange the descending order. Ascending order we will arrange from left to right, and descending order we will arrange from right to left. So next bit we will start. So next bit is represent 6, -4, 0 and 4 on a number list. So they have given some set of numbers. We have to represent on a number line. So this is fifth bit. Represent 6, -4, 0 and 4 on a number line. Okay, so first we have to draw a number line for this, and we have to mark all these numbers on a number line. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7 and so on. Now we have to mark the numbers. So 6, where you are seeing 6, this is 6. Next is -4. After that 0 and 4. So this is how you will mark on a number line. So next bit is 7th bit. So the temperature of 5 cities in India on a particular day are shown on the number line below. So they have given one number line and the temperatures of the cities they have given on a number line. So we have to answer the given questions. Write the temperature of the cities marked on a number line. So which temperatures, which cities they have marked on a number line, we have to write. So which cities they have marked on a number line? First is, so first question answer is Kasuli. Next is Manali, Nainital, Ooty and Bangalore. So these they have marked on a number line. Okay. So next question. So what is next question? Which cities has the highest temperature? So where you are seeing the highest temperature, we have to see. Highest temperature means it will be a positive value. So highest temperature is Bangalore. Okay. So next is, which city has the lowest temperature? Lowest temperature means it will be negative value. It will be lying on left side. So that will be Kasuli. Fourth one, which city has a temperature less than 0? Which cities are having the temperature less than 0? Less than 0 means all the values will be in the form of negative. So that will be Kasuli. Next is Manali is also in the form of negative and Nainital is also in the form of negative. Okay. So last one. So name the cities which temperature more than 0 degrees. More than 0 degrees means the temperature will be in positive positive temperature. The positive will be the temperature will be in positive. So that is Ooty and Bangalore. Okay. So this is our exercise 1. So okay, so next exercise, already we have learned how to add the integers, how to subtract the integers and how to multiply the integers. So on that we are going to start our next exercise, that is exercise number 2. So in that first bit is represent the following addition on a number line. So addition we have to represent on a number line. So exercise 2. First bit, represent the following. Following addition on a number line. Okay, so first one is 5 plus 7. So 5 is also an integer, 7 is also an integer. So we are adding these two integers. So this one we have to represent on a number line. So already we know that if it is a positive value, we have to move to right side. If it is a negative value, we have to move to left side. So and so on. So first integer 5. 5 is a positive value. So we have to move to right side. So 0 to 5 we are moving to right side. This is plus 5. After that 7. 7 is also a positive value. We have to move to we have to move to right side. So that is how many times? 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is the result here? 12 is the result. We are moving to right side. So here 5 plus 7 is how much? 5 plus 7 is equals to 12. So this is our first one. So second one is 5 plus 2. So again we have to represent on a number line. 5 is an integer, 2 is also an integer. These two integers we are adding here. So given 5 plus 2, draw a number line. And so on. So 5 is a positive integer, so we have to move to right side, that is 0 to 5 plus 5. And 2 is also a positive integer, we have to move to again right side. How many times? 2 times, that is 1, 2. So what is the result here? Result is 7. So we can write here 5 plus 2 is equals to how much? 7 is our answer. So next one. That is 5 plus of minus 2. So 5 is an integer, minus 2 is also an integer. We are adding these two integers here. So here you are seeing the double sign. So we have to make this double sign into single sign first. So solution. So first given is 5 plus of minus 2. Already I told you about the signs, that is if you are multiplying two same signs, always the result will be plus. If you are multiplying two minus signs, again the result will be plus. If you are multiplying two opposite signs, that is minus into plus, that will be minus. Plus into minus will be minus. So here 5 we have to write as it is. Always the first number we will write as it is. Double sign we will make it into single sign. So plus into minus. So plus into minus is what here? Minus. So minus 2. So now this one we have to show on a number line. Okay. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. So first number 5 is a positive number, so we have to move to right side, that is 0 to 5. This is plus 5. And minus 2, minus is a negative value, so we will move to left side. How many times? 2 times, that is 1, 2. So what is our result? Result is 3. So we are moving to left side. This is minus 2, result is 3 here. So we can write this. That is 5 plus of minus 2 will be equals to 3. So last one in this bit. So 5 plus of minus 7. So again the same way we have to do. So given 5 plus of minus 7. So again you are seeing the double sign. We have to convert into single sign. So first number we will write as it is. Double sign, make it into single sign by using this. So plus into minus. Plus into minus will be minus. So instead of plus and minus I wrote minus. Plus into minus is minus. Write this 7 as it is. Now you draw a number line. And so on. So 5 is a positive value, so we have to move to right side first. We have to move to right side. How many times? 5 times we have to move. This is plus 5 and 7. Before 7 you are seeing the negative value. So negative value means you have to move to left side. So how many times? 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is the result here? Minus 2. So we have moved to left side. So that is minus 7. So the result is how much here? Minus 2 is our result. So this is how you will do addition and subtraction on a number line. So I will give you a homework here. So try it as homework. So first one minus 8. Second one 7 plus 8. Third one is 6 plus of minus 9. Fourth one is 8 plus of minus 2, and fifth one is 7 plus 4. So these 5 problems you try it as homework. Do it on your number line in this method. Okay, so what answer you will get, you can check. Okay, so remaining problems will continue tomorrow. Thank you.